place I love. Take me back to the place I love. Take me back to the place I love. Take me back to the place I love.
I remember when we were kids, having barbecues in the bouquet. When the brownouts came, we were never alone. We just played in the streets till the lights came on. 6 o'clock in the morning, bakery just opened. You can smell the bread, it was cooking from a mile away. Ain't nothing like a fresh piece of starch today in Manila. Manila, Manila. I'm coming back to Manila. I'm coming back to Manila. I'm coming back to Manila. Take me to the jeepney, take me to the place where, back to the kids in the park where we played all day. Somebody shit for a home, but it was all okay. Cause in Manila we all the same. Everybody's looking for things to change. Everybody know that's how it is. We didn't care much cause we were kids. Oh, Manila, Manila. I'm coming back to Manila. I'm coming back to Manila. I'm coming back to Manila.
I've been gone for a minute, but I'm on the next flight. And the plane man says we can make it by night. Can't wait to touch down in my old hometown. Had a girl, we used to kick it, but I doubt she's still around, yo. It's all good, cause I'm back in the jungle where the girls in bikinis all come in a bundle. And pain and poverty is everywhere, but when the smoke all clears, it's only love in the air. I've been gone too long. Yep. I'm coming home. Coming back to the place I love. Love, love, love. Yeah, I'm coming back to the place I love. Yo, I said Babalika Posa Manila, Manila. 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 Babalika Babalika.
Naiinip na babago.
Ikaw ba'y napapagod? Araw-gabi puro kayo.
Buhay mo ba'y walang saysay, walang sigla, walang kulay?
Bawat araw ba'y pareho, parang walang pagbabago?
Tara na, biyahe tayo, kasama ang pamilya, barkada at buong grupo, para mag-enjoy ng todo.
Halika, biyahe tayo, nang ating makita ang ganda ng Pilipinas, ang galing ng Pilipino. Napasyal ka na ba sa Intramuros at Luneta?
Palawan, Bigan at Batanes, Subic, Baguio at Tristereses.
Namasdan mo na ba ang mga binta ng Zamboanga?
Bulkang Tal,
Bulkang Mayon, Beach ng Boracay at La Union.
Tara na, biyahe tayo, mula Basco hanggang Ulo, nang makilala ng gusto ang ating kapwa Pilipino. Halika, biyahe tayo, nang ating makita ang ganda ng Pilipinas, ang galing ng
From
Pilipinas.
city to city, 7,100 plus islas. Sa mahal kong Pilipinas, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, ating puntahan. Huwag maging dayuhan sa sariling bayan.
Nasubukan mo na ba mag-rapid sa pagsanghahan?
Mag-diving sa Anilaw, mag-surfing sa Siargao.
Natikman mo na ba ang sisig ng Pampanga?
Duriang Davao, Bangus, Dagupan, Bicol Express at Lechong Balaya. Tara na, biyahe tayo
Nang makatulong kahit paano
sa pagunlad ng kabuhayan
ng ating mga kababayan.
Halika, biyahe tayo nang ating makita ang